Hi, thanks for using my court coach. I'm Sarah and I'll be your instructor today as we talk about the stipulation and waiver of final declaration of disclosure form, also known as form FL-144. As with all our court forms, you want to fill in your identifying case caption information at the top. In every divorce case or legal separation case, before the court can accept your settlement agreement or set the case for a trial, they need to know that each party has complied with their requirement to exchange their financial disclosure forms, collectively known as the Declaration of Disclosure Forms. There is a preliminary set due at the beginning of the case, and then there is a final set due at the end of the case. While you do not have the option to waive the preliminary set, you do have the option to waive the final set, and so that is what this form is for. So just to go through it, it is stating that under Family Code Section 2105D, the parties are agreeing to waive the requirements concerning the final declaration of disclosure. There are some representations made. The parties agree as follows: that you have complied with Family Code Section 2104 and your preliminary declarations of disclosure have been completed in exchange. You have completed and exchanged a current income and expense declaration, that's your FL-150, that includes all material facts and information on each party's earnings, accumulations, and expenses. You have complied with Family Law Section 2102 and have augmented the preliminary declarations of disclosure as necessary if anything has changed. And each of the parties enters into this waiver knowingly, intelligently, and voluntarily. Each party understands this waiver does not limit the legal disclosure obligations of the parties, but rather is a statement under penalty of perjury that those obligations have been fulfilled. And the parties understand that if they do not comply with these obligations, the court will set aside the judgment. So then it just has you state all this under penalty of perjury. Each party lists their name, signs, and dates, and then this form is ready to be filed, and it tells the court that you have complied with your obligations to exchange your declarations of disclosure, both preliminary and waiver of final. I hope this was helpful. Good luck.